Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to upscale your videos to 4K in DaVinci Resolve. Let's dive in. Start by clicking on the Media tab. Next, right-click your video clip, then go to Timelines and select the timeline settings. In the Settings menu, uncheck the Use Project settings. Now expand the resolution drop down, then scroll down and select the 3840 by 2160 Ultra HD. Then click OK to save. Now right-click your clip on the timeline and select the clip attributes. Expand the super scale option and choose the 4 times from the menu. And that's it. Your video is now uploaded to 4K resolution using the DaVinci Resolve's powerful superscale feature. For more editing tips and tricks, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.